HurricaneForce Mindset Review. Hi everyone, this is Ken Plosser and I'm here to review the HurricaneForce Mindset. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for you. But before we continue, I have to get to your attention. This special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Saturday, January the 16th. So, what is there to say about HurricaneForce mindset? It says to start with, change your mindset, change your income. This is the perfect solution for struggling newbies who haven't made their first dollar online yet. So, what is HurricaneForce mindset all about? To answer that, it can be suitable to start with a question, and many questions after that. Why grab this PLR package today? Will this help me change my life for the better? Absolutely. The ideas and words of wisdom are tools that are implemented by successful people every day. Will I be able to apply the content in this guide easily? Of course. Everything has been laid out methodically, so that everyone can benefit from it. Wow, this is too good to be true. Will cost me a lot. Here's the good news. No, why should I hoard this information and keep it only for the rich elite? They already know how to be successful. How soon can I start? Start right now. There's no better time to change than now. The faster you start changing your mindset, the faster you can start seeing results. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. It's a never-seen-before 100% done-for-you package. It's a fully researched, hot niche, and we do mean hot. Professionally written in clear English. All sales material included, ready to go. Place your name on it, sell it as your own, keep all profits. Grab all high-quality content for your ebook, blog, articles. Dominate the multi-billion-dollar niche. Transform your clients' lives. No need to spend your time or a fortune on a product creation. Build your buyers list effortlessly. Money-back guarantee. Your investment is backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Access Mindset right now and take it for a 30-day test drive. Go through the ebook and all accompanying sales and promotional material. And if you're not 100% delighted with what we have to share with you, then let us know within 30 days and we will return every penny. No questions asked. Get HurricaneForce Mindset now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1. Get traffic to HurricaneForce Mindset through a well-known traffic source. Bonus number 2. Get underground traffic to HurricaneForce Mindset, as well as well-established traffic source. Bonus number 3. Get monetizing too to HurricaneForce Mindset. It's a 10-minute course in how to get money, actually. Bonus number 4. Get monetizing to HurricaneForce Mindset. Also a 10-minute class to how to make money with HurricaneForce Mindset. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Instant bonus delivery. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically. You find them next to your purchased files in JVZoo. Just click the button above to get started. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. To your success, and I would like to wish you a prosperous Happy New Year 2021. And take care, and I see you in the next video. Until then, bye.